Hey friends, today in this video we will see how we can troubleshoot the issue related with VMware Workstation, where I'm just trying to power on this virtual machine. At this time I'm getting a message that is module upgrade power on failed. So how we can troubleshoot this issue, because we just want to power on this virtual machine and we have some critical data on this machine. That's why we will just try to fix it instead of just creating a new virtual machine. So let's start. So first what we need to do, right click on the virtual machine and go on the manage and click on the change hardware compatibility and click on next. And this is the current VMware Workstation version, so you need to select this one, or if you have some other version, so you can just select this one, because this is the default hardware compatibility will show you. So you need to just click on the next. And if you just want to create a new clone of this virtual machine, so you will go with this option. But if you just want to alter this virtual machine, so I'm going to select this one. We don't want to create a clone of this virtual machine, so we'll go with the second option. We'll click on the next and click on the finish. Let's see, just close this one and go on again on the power on this virtual machine, and let's see if virtual machines get started. So I copied it. I will select this one. Now let's wait. I hope this virtual machines will get started, because I just performed all the troubleshootings what exactly it was required while troubleshooting the module upgrade power on the VMware Workstation. So you can see now this virtual machine is getting started. So this is the method which you need to just follow for troubleshooting these kind of issues. Thank you for watching this video.